Lord. Got our lunch done. I'm gonna do a room tour, but this is part of the vlog. This is part of the vlog. This is something that we've been really looking forward to doing ever since they announced this ship. And what are you talking about? Oh my gosh, look at this. Look at this. Is this overkill for 2 people? Nope. Nope. Yeah, that ain't all. Look, watch this. Come down here. That's right. That thing's big enough. Like, I'm 6'4", 300 blah blah pounds, and I got, well, I stood up in it, but I could tell, like, I'm not gonna have a problem being up in there. But this freaking balcony is awesome. And this is what they call a, let me get out of the wind. This is what they call a Excel aft suite. So yeah, so we're in Galveston. We have a 7-day cruise here. If you want to see this cabin, I'm gonna be doing a room tour on it. Shoot, that room tour is probably already up by the time I freaking post this video. So but we're a 7-day cruise. We got Cozumel, a new place we've never been to is Cozumel. And we're back to Honduras. Oh man, our favorite spot. It's been a while. It's been under a year. Guess what? Guess what I'm gonna be doing? We're going to the Havana, or Cabana, not the Havana, the Cabana. The private cabanas there, snorkeling, doing all that stuff. It's our favorite spot. But, gosh, would y'all look at this? Totally freaking awesome. So I'm gonna be doing a room tour on this here shortly, but I'm just in awe of this. Wow, there's a dream over there. That's our favorite ship, but we're gonna find out if that's still gonna be our favorite ship or not. I'll let you know by the end of this cruise. So stay tuned all the way through all the videos here. I'll let you know. All right. They just pulled the ropes, and we're starting to, we're moving yet? Not moving yet. So they're having like Mardi Gras parade over there on the strand, and it's been real noisy. We're moving. Here we go. Setting sail. First time on a Carnival Jubilee, and a little dreary outside, you know, just cloudy. It's foggy, but a little chilly, but not too bad. Let's take a look. So we're having dinner. It's pretty quiet, ain't it? It's because we're in our room. So we went down to the buffet, got some of that, some of that, some of that, and some of that, some of that, and some of that. She kind of, I didn't get the potatoes. Oh, that's because they have a bunch of crap on there I probably don't like. We'd eat outside, but it's a little chilly outside, and it's very foggy, as you can kind of tell. But she's making some tea up, and this is how we do it. We're on 15. All you gotta go up is one floor, and you're at the Lido buffet. So that's what we did. Pretty easy, pretty convenient. We'll see how this goes this week. Wife and I just got out of the hot tub, and yes, it fits both of us just fine. So in case you guys are wondering that about the hot tub, both of us comfortably. We spent about an hour in there, and still pretty chilly outside. It's kind of, if you notice, there's like a glass right here, kind of keeps the wind and all that away, you know. Kind of keep, you know. Anyway, I don't know what I'm saying, but sorry, not like it's been foggy. Like when we left Galveston, it was just foggy. You couldn't see a darn thing, and so sorry, no sunset in this video. Hopefully tomorrow will be a different story. Just kind of drying off here, but yeah, this is an awesome suite. Oh my gosh, it's so awesome. So anyway, that's it. I'll film another video tomorrow for a sea day, first full sea day, 73.